Hey guys, Eric here, giving you some great information today on how you can make an extra income online, even without any real experience. So when it comes to working on freelance sites like Fiverr have really never been easier to make money from home with. So if you're looking for something different to do and you're looking for something interesting, this video is based on a site called flixpress. But what I want to show you how to do is how you can generate an income based on using this other site. So with that being said, we're on Fiverr right now, and you could see the different tabs here. There's tons of different jobs that are available that you can use or do as a freelancer to make extra money with. But what we want to do is we want to focus on the video and animation tab here. And what you'll notice is, again, a lot of different options here, but we want to go to short video ads. Okay. Now, let me first say that video marketing is huge. So people are more focused on videos than pictures nowadays. So as a business, it's very easy for them to hire someone from there, meaning something like Fiverr, for a very short, simple explanation video of their company. Now, besides making money off the initial sales, there are upsells that are included inside Fiverr as well with these gigs. So let's just give you an example. This one here, I will create a professional animated promotional video or explainer video. You can see it's 25 for 0 to 15 seconds. Standard. If you wanted to, 15 to 30 seconds where they can make more money based on that. Let's scroll down and take a look what that includes. This gives you a little bit more detail as what's involved in the packages. So just to show you here, there are many different types of ads here, but this one specifically, you can see there's a variety of different things, and you can put in the dollar amount, or people can put in the dollar amount that they actually want to spend on it. But when it comes to business and promoting a business, this is one of the easiest ways for you to create that side income in helping out a business. So let's go back to flixpress and show you how this actually works here. Flixpress is pretty easy to use. I'm going to show you one of the things I was working with previously here. I actually am a guitar player, so this is just an example of one of the templates I was working with that I was allowed to put some text on. I do guitar lessons. I was able to put guitar lessons made easy, over 2,000 lessons. And it looks nice, it looks clean, and it's something that I can use to advertise with my business. Here's a really cool intro that I'd created. Again, very user-friendly, but let's actually walk you through it real quick. So let's take something like this here. Gives you a preview of what it actually looks like. It tells you it has one placeholder, 2 text image holders. So depends what you want to use it for, but when you're customizing it, you can see how it has you upload an image. Let's just, for sake of keeping it simple, show you how this will work real quick. I'm not spending a lot of time on figuring out what I really want to upload as an image. Let's just show you this picture here. Now it says you may proceed to the image cropping screen. So now you can crop the picture. Next. It allows me to put some text, main title, just put my name. Keep it the same, tips to quick cash online. And let's see what it looks like. You notice there's a watermark on here. So I actually have purchased one. I have a subscription to this here. So what I'm going to do is place it as an order, and that's going to take that away. So you may have to spend a little bit of money to work this here if you really want to use this as a legitimate business. And I just suggest it because you are limited with what you can use that's free. So if you are going to work this as a business, it's worth it to pay a certain amount, especially if you have no experience in this type of stuff and you want to try to use other software you're not familiar with. So I'm going to place the order. Now it's processing. Okay, now let's click the preview. So imagine somebody in Fiverr wants to make an intro, let's just say for their YouTube channel. There's such a variety of ways that you can actually, make money on doing this type of thing. So, and it tells you here on the site, these are all different types of templates. You can see here a slideshow, a special occasion. So there's a variety of different options. So if you do opt in and end up paying for this service, there's plenty of different types of templates you can work with. Now, again, going back to, remembering that video it's very in high demand right now, especially for businesses, because they know that on the giant platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, whatever you're using for a social media platform, it's essential to convey the message in a very short amount of time and to create conversion quicker. So make sure when it comes to making money doing this method of creating video ads for others, you do have the resale rights as well. Let's just go back real quickly to Fiverr here, and let's just say intros and outros. So even if you're looking into intros, outros, I will do YouTube intro, video, trailer, animated logo. It starts at 5 on Fiverr, but it doesn't have to really start at 5, especially if you've already built up a business. I will create a mind-blowing video intro. So there's a lot of different options that you do have. So when it comes to making money freelance style, I suggest Fiverr. When it comes to working on a business model where you are using video and you don't have a lot of experience, FlixPress is my recommendation for you. So I hope this information helped you out, and I'll see you guys real soon.